How to solve this action is not allowed in YouTube. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to solve this action is not allowed in YouTube. First, go to the Settings app on your phone. Then, select the Wi-Fi option and disconnect your Wi-Fi. Reconnect your Wi-Fi by making sure to connect it to the stronger network. Now go back and scroll down to reach the Apps option. Here, find the YouTube app and tap on it. After that, enable the camera and go back to open the App Store. Next, use the search bar to search for the YouTube app. Update your YouTube app to use its latest version and features. Finally, open the YouTube app and use it freely. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.